In this video, I'll show you how to accept credit cards on Shopify. Start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're inside, go to Settings and click on Payments. Next, look for the Payment Providers section. This is where you manage how customers can pay in your store. After that, choose Shopify Payments if it is available in your country. This is the easiest way to accept credit and debit cards directly on Shopify. Now click Activate Shopify Payments and fill in your business details, including your bank account information for payouts. Next, complete any required verification steps, such as identity verification or business information confirmation. If Shopify Payments is not available in your region, scroll down to third-party payment providers and select a supported credit card gateway like Stripe, Razorpay, or another provider available in your country. After that, connect your payment provider account and follow the setup instructions to activate credit card payments. Now run a test transaction in your store to make sure credit card payments are working correctly. Finally, once everything is set up, customers will be able to pay you using credit and debit cards at checkout. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to accept credit cards on Shopify. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.